cousins from Jamaica for the first time, and we're going down to Gongalees kitchen to see what Gongalees is going to cook up for us today. I think Gongalees said he's going to cook up some rundown with mackerel, salt mackerel. So we are going now. Right now I'm getting some gas, so we're going down to Gongalees kitchen to have some fun. All right. Gas is so expensive now. Look at that. $40 just to fill it up. Hey, what's up, Kay?
Nothing.
You ready to see Gongalees kitchen?
Yeah.
I know you watch it all the time on YouTube, right?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. So we're going on to Gongalees kitchen. Yeah. All right. Yes, YouTube. So now we reach at Gongalees, and yeah, we're gonna check out what Gongalees doing. You ready, cuz?
Yeah.
You ready to meet the man Gongalees?
Yes, yes.
Alright. Okay, so let's go. We at Gongalees. See what Gongalees doing inside. Push it and pull. Yeah. Alright. Don't have to take off. Gongalees. What go on? Oh, Gongalees gonna ship a whole lot of stuff to Jamaica. The wife? Yeah. So now we at Gongalees kitchen. And you know.
Rubbish in the bathroom.
Alright.
You know, I'm going to introduce Kenny and Ken.
Hey, he's on the phone. So Gongalees just resting right there. Yeah. So all these things going to ship to Jamaica. Yep. We at the backyard, Gongalees kitchen.
Yes.
Yes. And this is where all the magic happen, right here. It's gonna rain though. A little. Yeah.
It's a little chilly.
Uh-huh. So from Jamaica to Gongalees kitchen, so now you're here.
Can't wait to start eating.
I know, right? Yeah. All right, we're on our way to the store too. What we gonna get, Gongalees? So we have
best way.
yeah.
We'll get the mackerel and the banana.
Mackerel and banana. Okay. All right, let's go. Best way, huh?
Yeah, best.
Yeah.
Make sure hold it now.
Hey, cuz. You wanna hold this for me? Yeah. So
Go straight.
go straight. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna cook some rundown with banana, and that's it. So I know it's the best way. Alright. That's it.
Best way maybe 15-20 minutes.
Yeah, about 15-20 minutes. No, it's not that far.
Best way?
Oh, best way you're going?
Yeah.
Oh.
Food we don't get.
Oh, okay.
Food, yeah.
Okay. Alright. We're pulling up at Best Way. Right, Gongalees? Do some shopping.
You need to put a suitcase in your trunk then.
Yeah.
Lick out your windscreen and drop a German trunk then.
Yeah.
Lick out your glass man.
Alright.
That's something nice.
Yeah. Yeah, but German town, alright. Alright. Pull this out, Ganga. Yeah. Alright, so now we at Best Way. Gonna do some shopping in Gongalees. Yeah. See your mass of Gongalees. Alright, let's go. So we're gonna get some salt mackerel, green bananas. Yep. This one. Green bananas here.
Banana we want it now. I'll beg you to take care of it. We're not a banana man.
This is enough.
Not enough for you all in our shade.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. You're not gonna cook. I don't like to cut out a banana. No, we don't buy a lot of tomatoes because we don't even have space for them and they're gonna...
You don't cook tomato? You know tomato? You don't cook Jamaica food in your house? You know Jamaica story right now, you know, so...
Yeah.
I'm
So-
on vacation, I'm not going to cook a lot. I'll
Yeah.
cook any at all.
No, but I mean... Store out now than...
Alright, that's enough.
3?
What?
I'll put on there
Put
one
one.
down
Yeah,
here.
yeah. No, we... Huh? Yeah, we could buy a piece of yellow yam. Get some yellow yam. That's like...
Let me see it.
Like this. Get a bag cake.
But in the fit yet, don't look like yellow or green.
It's good. It's
Look
good.
green. Or those are the red ones that you like?
Yeah. We're not cooking in a big pot. We just Just store this, that's it. Oh. In the market. Huh? Which one? Okay. Let's pick up one. Alright. What now? Salt mackerel? What else we need? Eh? Yeah.
Oh, you don't need no more beer in the house.
No. We're house packed with food already. We don't have space for it.
Oh, you don't want to go to Jamaican Island.
What you looking for?
No, man, I can't you don't want nothing. We then we try to store Jamaican store them there down here so near, you know. Yeah. Yeah, well, mackerel, Jamaican mackerel, grace mackerel.
Oh man, that's good. I don't like that. I don't like mackerel. The one that burn my stomach.
Yeah.